In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend mail in Gmail after 1 hour using some creative and alternative methods. Now, we all know that Gmail has a handy undo send feature, but here's the catch. It allows you to retract your email only for up to 30 seconds after hitting the send button. In other words, once that window closes, you won't be able to undo the send in the standard way. Therefore, it's crucial to adjust your settings ahead of time if you want to maximize this feature. Let's take a look at how we can do that. To start, you'll need to check your current settings. Head over to the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface, click it, and then select See All Settings. In the settings windows that appears, make sure you're under the General tab. From there, scroll down until you see the Undo Send option. This is where you can set the cancellation period. Unfortunately, the maximum time allowed here is 30 seconds, which might not suit scenarios where you wish to unsend an email sent over an hour ago. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to make sure your new settings are applied. Since Gmail's native features don't allow unsending after the initial period, we need to consider some creative solutions for those using Google Workspace in a business context, and if the recipient of your email is within the same organization, you have an option. Navigate to your Sent folder and open the email you wish to recall. Click on the More Options button, often represented by 3 dots, then choose Message Options followed by Recall Message. Keep in mind, this method only works within your organization's domain. If this option isn't available to you, another strategy is to simply contact the recipient directly and request that they delete the email. If your message contained an error or sensitive information, a polite request could be effective in resolving the situation. Looking to the future, you might want to consider Gmail's confidential mode. It's particularly useful for preventing unauthorized access to emails long after they've been sent. To enable it, click the Compose button to start a new email. In the Compose window, locate and click the lock icon to open confidential mode. Here, you can set an expiration date and even require a passcode for your emails. By doing so, you can ensure that emails are inaccessible beyond a certain time frame, significantly minimizing the risks of any future slip-ups. These strategies won't technically unsend emails sent over an hour ago, but they provide a valuable set of alternatives to manage and mitigate the impact of any email errors. So feel free to experiment with these methods and ensure your email communication remains under control.